just wanted to kind of give a video real quick about comparing what a normal appointment's like at a chiropractor versus the stuff you see for entertainment on YouTube or something like that, right? So what you typically see on YouTube is somebody that's mic'd up where there's lots of loud cracks and pops and whatnot for every treatment, just because that it's good for entertainment, but that's not how normal appointments work. Now Israel here, he's not wearing mics, so you might hear some clicks and some pops and stuff, and that's, that doesn't really matter whether or not it makes the noise. The adjustment still helps the health, right? So for Israel, what we got going on here is he's here for a normal appointment, which means he's gone through a whole course of care where we've worked on fixing the problems that he came with originally. Another comparison to YouTube videos online is that you're just seeing one appointment, and nobody gets better seeing a chiropractor one time, just like you don't get better seeing a dentist one time, right? So for Israel, we're gonna take care of his normal spots that I take care of kind of on a regular basis, just to support what he needs for his daily life. And you'll see what those look like, and then at the end, just let us know if you need anything, right? Got one there. Now our table we use for low back treatment is called a drop table, where the bottom piece will start to fall towards the floor. Makes it so we don't have to push on the person as much, but that's gonna be the loud pop you hear here. Now we'll do one more. Then flip on your back, buddy. All right. And then the last one is gonna be here on this right side. Good. And then one here. I'll stitch it all the way up.